Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2014 for the 2020 Topps Archives Signature Series Active Player Autograph Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, May 7th, 2020. It's 10:55 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:55 p.m. Central Time, and 7:55 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have John Sawyer, 2 spots. Phil with 7. Laddie Cards, 2 spots. B. White, 2. Rinsky, 10. Sir with 1. Ryan with 6 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. We have John on top, Ryan on the bottom. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has B. White on top, Rinsky on the bottom, B. White, you have the Diamondbacks. Ryan with the Braves, Rinsky Orioles, B. White Red Sox, Phil with the Cubs, Sir White Sox, Rinsky Reds, Ryan with the Indians, Rockies, Rinsky Tigers, Astros, Royals, Laddie Cards, Angels, Phil Dodgers, Ryan Marlins, Rinsky Brewers, John Sawyer with the Twins, Phil Mets, Yankees, Athletics, Laddie Cards, Phillies, Rinsky Pirates, Ryan with the Padres, Rinsky with the Giants, Phil with the Mariners, Ryan with the Cardinals, Rinsky Rays, John with the Rangers, Phil Blue Jays, and Rinsky with the Washington Nationals. Alrighty. Let's see who we have. Whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. And who do we have? Houston Astros, 51 out of 99. Lance McCullers Jr., Topps Heritage Auto for the Houston Astros. Congrats to the Astros with that fire red glove. All right, sweet. Let's see who has the Houston Astros. That's going to Rinsky 7. Congrats on the Colors Junior Auto out of 99 from break 2014 for the 2020 Topps Archives SIG Series Active Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button right there, right next to your right thumb. We're 25 subscribers away from 1,000. You'll find us on eBay and on social media, all at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. And stick around for the bonus break spot in the Autograph Baseball. And then we're on to break 2015 for the 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint Football Pack. Thanks.